Hi, my name is Robert Chelle with Chelle Law, and my firm assists physicians with employment contract issues. Today I'm going to talk specifically to those in fellowship and answer a fairly frequent question, and that is, when should someone in fellowship start looking for a job? So I think the answer to that depends upon how long fellowship is. I think more and more fellowships are kind of tending to be 2 years minimum. Some are 3, depending upon what specialty you're going into. I just think there's been kind of a shift from the 1-year fellowship to a little bit longer. But regardless of the length of the fellowship, I think it would make sense for a physician in fellowship to start looking for a job immediately. Looking for a job obviously is different than actually signing a contract for a job. There is absolutely no harm in going out and seeing what the market has to offer. If you are in fellowship, then you are likely in a specialty that is in high demand, and will likely have probably an easier time finding a job. However, those obviously the opportunities are less when you are in some kind of subspecialty. Kind of how I would go about looking for a job. One, you need to identify the area where you want to live. If you're completely open to living wherever, then you can generally find a great deal. If you are kind of absolutely have to live in a specific area, maybe due to a significant other, maybe you're involved, engaged, married to another physician in training, and then you need to follow them, or they're in a program and are going to start, and you need to be there as well. Well, then obviously that limits your options if you're in one specific city. But if you're wide open, you will have more opportunities. But as far as the timing of when to look, do it right away. Now, what are the downsides of identifying a position, signing a contract? Let's say you're in a 3-year fellowship, you sign a contract in year 1. Well, circumstances can change, right? So you could have some family issues, an illness in the family. Maybe you had kids in the interim and that changed your thinking of where you want to be. Maybe you were planning on moving back home and then decided you didn't want to do that. So there are complications if you sign an agreement and then want to back out of it. It's not impossible to get out of. I mean, no one's going to want to employ a physician that absolutely doesn't want to be there, but there may be some kind of legal complications associated with terminating a job that you haven't even started yet. But in my experience, the sooner the better. Ways of finding jobs, obviously, communicating with maybe people in your residency program, obviously other physicians in your fellowship across the country. Physician recruiters are a good place to start. There are employers that hire recruiters to go find specific candidates. You can reach out to the recruiters. You won't have to pay anything. The employer will have to pay that fee. So those are all good options as far as kind of how to find a job and when. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. My number is listed below in the description. Or you can reach us through our website at chellelaw.com. That's CHELLE law.com. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for watching the video.